After more than a decade on the market, the 4Runner was finally redesigned. Did Toyota pack top safety performance into the truck? Let's dig into its crash tests to find out. In the updated side impact test, the 4Runner had very strong results, earning the highest rating of good. The structure remained intact and preserved sufficient survival space for the occupants. The airbags shielded the driver and passenger heads from contacting hard surfaces. These two dummies also recorded low injury risks to all body regions. Unfortunately, the 4Runner didn't do as well in the updated moderate overlap evaluation. The biggest problem occurred with the rear dummy's restraints. First, this dummy's head was allowed too close to the front seat. The lap belt also shifted off its position on the pelvis, leading to the dummy dangerously submarining under the belt. On a positive note, this dummy recorded low injury measures to the head, neck, and chest. Overall, the 4Runner received the second lowest rating of marginal. The new 4Runner comes equipped with the third version of Toyota's Safety Sense system. This version proves unflappable in every tested scenario. The 4Runner delivered a timely warning and autonomously avoided every pending collision. The Toyota system performed notably better than the Ford Bronco and slightly edged out the new Honda Passport. So the 4Runner has mixed results between both tests. The vehicles that compete with the 4Runner, such as the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler, have safety issues of their own. It's not a direct competitor, but the similarly sized Honda Passport has notably strong performance in every crash test and might make a good alternative if you don't need the 4Runner's off-road capability. However, the 4Runner does come equipped with the segment's leading autonomous braking system. Up next, we look at the new Subaru Forester and how it compares to its predecessor. Thanks for watching.